Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the unknown USB device, the device failed enumeration error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then select paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. You can close out of the command prompt window this time and then just direct our attention over to this troubleshooting utility. So troubleshooting help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Find and fix problems with devices and hardware. Select the advanced button. Make sure to check mark to automatically apply repairs and then select next. And then once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And something else I would also suggest attempting here would be to try plugging a USB device into a different port. There could be an issue with the port, and there could also be an issue with the USB device itself. So if you have another device, if you want to try plugging the USB into that one as well, to see if it's the actual USB device that may be the problem. Pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.